be? Mr. Perez!
Let's play mate.
Mr. Perez!
Let's play mate.
Mate! Ah! Mr. Perez, you're not going to believe this.
What?
You know, I have an aunt. Some people say
An aunt?
aunt. An aunt?
This
a
is
relative?
Like,
And I've never met her before, but she must have access to my bank account.
why do you say that?
For some reason, I have this incredible deposit in my bank account.
It's a long.
Look at my...
Yeah, I can see it's very long number.
Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s,
Uh-huh.
100,000s, millions, 748 million dollars.
Wait, I have to see this close. Mr. Byrne,
Wait, what's that?
that's a point. So that means this is a decimal name. So let me show you something.
No, Mr. Perez.
Yeah, this is your account.
Ah!
Again, Mr. Byrne, you're not doing very well with your economy.
74 cents?
Uh-huh.
Oh man, I thought
I think you need to talk about big numbers.
big numbers?
Mm-hmm.
Well, maybe we shouldn't use my personal
Large
checking account for big numbers.
For example, when we talk about, cuando nosotros hablamos acerca de poblaciones, poblaciones de un país, por ejemplo, los Estados Unidos o España.
Big numbers, you're right, populations.
You have to know about that.
You know
I'm
what?
sorry.
That's true.
You can leave it like this and you can be still happy.
I thought I was gonna take tomorrow off and maybe the next day and
No, I need you.
748 million bucks.
Te necesito aquí.
Okay.
Por tanto, ¿me puedes decir cuántos millones de personas hay en los Estados Unidos?
I don't know a word you just said there, Mr. Perez.
How many people live in the States?
In the United States.
The whole. Do you have a ballpark
I have a
estimation?
ballpark estimate.
Can you write for me?
Well, the United States, that's a lot of states involved. The last time I heard it was around 314 million.
Wow.
So I should just write that out real quick.
¿Cuántos?
Yeah. Well, 314 million. So I gotta put some zeros here. This is a ballpark estimate. Let me check this to make sure that's right. I mean, this is a big number, bigger than my checking account.
Okay.
Ones, tens, hundreds, yep, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions.
Ones, tens, millions, and 100 million.
That's correct. So 314 million.
You did it right. Unidades, decenas, centenas, unidades de millar, decenas de millar, centenas de millar, unidades de millón, decenas de millón, centenas de millón. Lo has hecho bien. 314 million. ¿Quieres que te escriba cuántos hay en España?
Yeah.
Only 46 million.
Ah, yeah. In the country
¿Crees?
of Spain.
Más o menos.
Okay.
More or less?
No.
What do you think?
I have to say.
Spain more population than States or less? What do you think?
Well, Mr. Perez, I do have some sort of number sense. I'm going to say that USA
sure.
has more people than Spain.
It's bigger too.
That was a hard question for me. So, Mr. Perez,
Yeah.
it is important that we have a greater sense of reading and writing big numbers, which happens to be our lesson, chapter 5, lesson 8.
We will work with that with our student tomorrow. Lesson 5.
Chapter 5, lesson 8.
What is this?
Well, I'm not sure what that is. What are all these squares?
How many?
Mr. Perez, you can't handle a problem like that. I mean, there's a lot of squares here. I can't even count. Any idea?
Yes, I know how to do it.
Mr. Perez, okay.
It's easy for me.
So you can...
It's only one paper? Okay, I can do it.
One paper, yeah, maybe you can count those, but You know, you see this box of paper that I just lifted in here? How many squares, if this whole box of paper contained this type of paper?
Yes.
Yeah.
Inside this and all the whole box.
Yeah, the whole box. How many squares would there be? Talk about knowing some large numbers.
Let me think. Okay.
Mr. Burr's estimation is a lot.
Tell me an estimation and let's try
Figure it out.
Let's try to figure it out. Tell me an estimation. Ballpark estimation. How many little squares in the whole box?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Mr. Burr. Don't count it, please.
Okay.
It's going to take out.
I'm going to say 50,000.
50,000. Okay, this is your estimation.
Yeah, I mean, that's
50,000.
That's a big number.
Okay, now I'm going to estimate. I estimate 4 million.
What?
Yes, 4 million. Let's see what happens.
4 million. Let's see what happens.
Okay, so, we have a visitor.
Oh, do you know lots about large numbers?
Tell me something, some place in which we use large number for an example.
Populations.
Kilómetros entre una ciudad y otra.
Whoa, miles or kilometers.
Yeah.
Yes, between,
That's good.
yes, long distance like from the moon
Yeah.
to the earth.
That's a
Carolina,
good one.
thank you.
Tienes un regalo.
Thank you.
No te conoces.
Not a real good example
Okay.
here either.
Okay, let's continue. So, do you think I'm going to be able to calculate the exact number?
Mr. Perez, I don't think that's possible.
Okay, look at me.
You can, I mean, you are from Spain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23.
It's a 17 by 23.
Can I have a calculator to do it faster?
No.
Oh my
But you can use a little bit of estimation.
23, yes. I'm going to use estimation to 20 and 20, so 400, okay?
400
so 400
squares.
in one. Let me check something. Look at this, Mr. Byrne.
400.
This is going to make my life easy.
Huh?
500.
500 sheets in here?
400 multiplied by 500
Oh, Mr.
in
Perez.
each box.
That's good, though, because we know that trick.
Yes.
Henry Devante, please come to the front office.
4 por 5. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, yeah. One math fact and add your donuts. How many?
Look
Holy
at this.
moly.
Now you are close. You are closer than me, right?
Well...
You said
okay.
this, I said this, but
200,000 squares in one ream or package of paper.
But how many packets in one box? No, don't count them. We don't need to count.
You have
Look at this.
resources?
We have information.
Oh, wow. 10 packs.
So we have
Multiply.
multiply again. 200,000,
200,000?
200,000
Times 10?
por 10. Entonces solo tenemos que añadir
10
2
times
por
2.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y 6. So,
goodness.
here, aquí está el total. This is the total of squares in the whole box.
Holy smoke, Mr. Perez. Let me get a kind of a reading on that. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. 2 million squares. inside.
As you can see, I won. I was closer than you. I said 4 million. You said 50,000, Mr. Byrne. I beat you.
You know what, Mr. Perez? I think it's really important that we have a good number sense with large numbers.
I have it. Now,
Apparently, I don't. It's carrying over into my problem with centimeters, meters, and coffee and muffins. No.
muffin was my problem.
Okay. Okay. Well, fourth grade, tomorrow we will investigate large numbers.
Mañana vamos a investigar números grandes.
Grande.
Grande. Big.
Yes. We'll see you tomorrow.
Hasta mañana.